if you use a wood burning appliance inside your home, you're already dumping firewood ash somewhere, throwing it outside, wherever. Between 0.5% and up to about 1.5% of the mass of a firewood log will remain as ash once it's been burnt. Now, of course, that number can vary greatly. It can depend on the type of wood you're burning, how seasoned it is, the moisture content, how clean it is. That can all make a difference. If you're an occasional wood burner, say Thanksgiving or Christmas, or you're just trying to get rid of that pile behind the garage, you're still going to have a bucket of ash or more. If you heat your home full time with wood and you're burning 2, 3, 5, 10 cords a year, you're going to have a significant amount of firewood ash to dispose of. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you about 10 tips, methods for you to use inside and outside of your home and around your property that will benefit you. So grab a pen and paper and follow along. Now, wood ash has about 20% calcium. It's got about 4% protein, 2% phosphorus. It's also got magnesium, sodium, and aluminum as some of its ingredients. As a fertilizer, it would be called NPK 013 as a designation.